Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a wash and go for you guys. As you can tell, my hair is already freshly washed and conditioned. So I'm going to be working in sections, and then I'm going to divide those sections into subsections. Working in subsections will allow me to distribute more product throughout the hair so that I will get more of a definition. I'm only using 3 products to achieve today's wash and go. I'm going to be using Eden Body Works Curling Cream, Jamaican Black Castor Oil, and SHEA Moisture's Detangler. I will leave the full names of each item that I'm using in today's video in the description box below. So I'm going to start off with applying the SHEA Moisture's Detangler. This detangler is amazing. It has so much slip, it glides through my hair just like butter. This actually kind of reminds me of hair grease, just a little bit thinner. You all know back in the day when we used to grease our scalps. But anyway, next I'm going to apply the Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I love Jamaican Black Castor Oil. It's actually one of my favorite oils. It has so many benefits. One of them promoting hair growth. Last but not least, I'm going to follow that up with the Eden Body Works Curling Cream. After applying all the products, I'm going to rake those products through every strand. As you can tell, I'm not only applying the oil to the strands of my hair, I'm applying it to my scalp as well. I'm going to follow all of those steps throughout my entire head. So we're going to speed the clip up just a little bit. As you can tell, this was my last section. I was a little bit lazy, so I did not divide this into subsections. But I did apply the same products in the same order as I did throughout the entire head. I'm going to apply the remainder of that Jamaican Black Castor Oil to my scalp and on my edges. So I'm going to take the combination of all of those products and I'm going to rake that into this entire section as I did throughout the entire head. So I'm going to clip that part of the hair away with the remainder of the hair that I already have clipped away. Then we're going to move back over into the other side. We're going to release that clip, add more product if necessary. Then I'm going to shake and squinch the curls. And I'm going to repeat those same steps back on this side. I'm going to bend my head forward and flip those curls back and forward just to release some of the curls that may have clumped together. Alright, this is the final look. I have completed every step possible to achieve this wash and go. Fingers crossed that it turns out okay. I am going to let it air dry and we will be back tomorrow to see how this turned out. I am going to give you a 360. Alright ladies, welcome back. Today is day 2 to yesterday's wash and go. This is how it turned out. My hair is 90% dry. I put this on just so I wouldn't get makeup in my hairline. But this is how it turned out. I am going to gel down my edges. I am going to fluff a little. I don't want to fluff too much because as you can tell, I manipulated the front right here while I was still drying, and that's why it's a little frizzy. But besides that, it actually turned out pretty good. It is not too hard. It's actually the perfect texture, consistency, whatever you want to call it. It actually is perfect. I might put a little more cream right here in front to take away some of that frizz right there, but like I said, I'm just going to gel these edges down, fluff a little more, and
I'll be right back. I'm gonna put a little bit of this on just to give it a little shine. Alright, this is how I'm gonna wear it today. As the days go by, it will get bigger, which I like. I really don't care for first day wash and goes. They seem to just sit a little stiff, but as the days go by, the cast of the product tends to break and allow the hair to fluff out a little more. So this is going to be the final results for today's video. If you like today's video, please hit that like button, please share, and please subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below, and I'll see you all in my next video.